welcome back to Vista Study Visit. In this session, we are going to learn about the phonic sounds, or they are also called as phonetics. What are these? Why do we use them in our English? So let us study here. Before going to the phonic sounds, the major basic points of English grammar. Alphabet. What is alphabet? A set of all 26 letters in English language is called as alphabet. The set of all the 26 letters in English grammar, those are called as alphabet. The complete group, the complete 26 letters, the name given to that set is alphabet. Okay? In alphabet again is divided into three categories. First one is vowels. There are 5 vowels. We know that A, E, I, O, U. Okay, 5 vowels. We already know that. Next, coming to the second one, semi-vowels. Semi-vowels, W, I, Y. Why they are called as semi-vowels? Because they work in both the cases as vowels and consonants. Okay, that I will show you in the later examples. Okay, coming to the third one, consonants. We all know how many consonants? 21 consonants are there. B to Z, all the 21 consonants. Okay, totally there are 26 letters in English language, my dear friends. Okay, now coming towards the phonics. Are phonic sounds. Whatever the name is given to that letter in the alphabet, they are not as pronounced. For example, the letter A is the name of that letter, but the pronunciation of the A is done in certain ways. A is used as A, right? A is used as A. Concentrate on my pronunciation, children. A is used as A. So here what we are doing, phonic sounds are completely different from the name of the letters, name of the particular letters. As you observed the previous video, yes, the pronunciation is completely different from the name of the letters. So we will observe the pronunciation. See here on the board I have written the alphabet and the phonic sound. Both alphabet and phonic sound. So let us start. A. These are the names of the alphabet given to it in English language. A used as A. B used as B. C used as K. C, Sh, Ch. Okay, character, charted account, these all begins with the letter C. Okay, D used as D, E used as E and I, both the cases. F used as F, G used as J, H used as H, I used as E. Okay, small e and big E. J used as J. J used as J. Okay. K used as K. K is not used in any other pronunciation. Okay. K is directly used in K. Okay. L, L. The pronunciation of L is L. M, M, N, N, O. O, U. Also pronounced. O is used in 3 different cases. O, U, O. Okay. P used as P. Q used as K. R used as R. S used as S. Z, Z and Sh. Okay. SH, Sh. T used as T and Th. T is used as T and Th. Okay, coming to U, O, U, O, U. Okay, U may be used in different places. Okay, V as V, W also as V. Okay, X as Z, Y as Y and E. SKY sky, SKI sky, both are same, my dear children. Okay, Z, J, S and Z. Z, S and Z. Z is used in all the cases, all the three cases. Okay, let us move on, children. Phonic sounds are different and the name of the alphabets are completely different. Now, we already know vowels. In any letter, the vowels appear, so they are called as vowels, or without the help of vowels, we can't form a single word. Okay, so that is the quality of vowels. Now coming to the another two functions of vowels, that is diphthongs and triphthongs. Okay, see here, diphthongs, di in the sense two, thong in the sense sound. Okay, di means two, thong means sound. Whenever in any word the two vowel sound appears at the same time, those words are called as diphthongs. You can see the example here, creep, see. Okay, so many words you will get according to this. Okay, for example, jamun, okay, or cherry, yes, onion. These all are the number of words which we will get in diphthongs. Whenever we will get in two vowel sounds in a single word, that words are called as diphthongs, my dear friends. Okay, same in the sense triphthongs. Tri means three, thong means sound. Okay, tri means three, thong means sound. See here, I, E, E, O, E. Yes, whenever the word, single word is having three particular vowels, then those words are called as triphthongs. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear children. Yes, same, try these words to convert it into the phonic sound. One I will show you, Ireland. Okay, Ireland, convert it into the phonic sound. I is written as I, R, E as E, L, A, this is the phonic letter, N and D. See here, this is the phonic word. This is what? The phonic word. Okay, we don't have names of these symbols, so we are using directly them in our pronunciation. Okay, those are called as phonic words or phonic sounds also. Like this, you can change number of words into the phonic words. Okay, number of English words into the phonic words. Okay, I will show you the example here. You can observe. So here is the definition of diphthongs and triphthongs. Diphthongs, the two vowel sound at a single word, is called as diphthongs. Age, ice, oil, moist, day are the examples. According to triphthongs, three vowel sound together in a single word is called as triphthong. So Ireland, siren, are the examples of the triphthong. Aeroplane and some other words are also the example of triphthongs, my dear friends. So here are some more examples of diphthong. Age, fate, day, ice, mind, sink, oil, moist, boy, ear, freeze, shear, air, fairy, rear, movers, poor, over, showdown, go, out, loud, now. You can see the separate symbols also of phonics. Okay, now what and coward are also the examples of diphthongs. Coming towards the triphthongs. Ireland, siren, fire, or sharbat, soar. Okay, these all are the examples for triphthongs. And here are the examples of phonics words. You can see affect is changed into the phonic sound. Like this, all these words except, accept, his, is, are, or, prize, praise, higher, hair, air, all the words are completely changed according to the symbols used in the phonic sounds. Okay, they don't have particular names, but English letters have the particular names and they have changed according to them. You can also practice by using the other words which are not mentioned here and change the words into the phonic sound.